What is up everyone, Jeran here, hoping you're safe and great. For this video, mag-unbox tayo ng isang mini 4WD kit. Pero hindi to galing sa Tamiya. This is from Aldi. And this was way back 2009 pa. And it's still sealed. So, unbox na natin to. Alright, hindi ako super familiar sa mga Aldi mini 4WD. Naririnig ko siya dati pero hindi pa ako ever nakagamit nito. Back when Tamiya was so big here in the Philippines nung around 2009, 2008. Naririnig ko na to. Pero again, hindi pa ako ulit nakagamit nitong Aldi na brand na Mini 4WD. And I guess hindi na yata sila nagpo-production nitong mga ganito ngayon. So, this was manufactured back in 2009 pa. This is the 2009 series pa. It's still sealed. So, titingnan natin kung ano yung pagkakaiba niya sa Tamiya. At the same time, kung okay ba itong patakbuhin and functional pa ba siya. So, dahil more than 10 years na itong nakastock. Okay, so kita natin, ito yung ating unit itself. So, I guess this is the anime that it came from. Kasi sa Japan before, no, sobrang usong-uso yung anime na Mini 4WD. Meron kang Go for Speed, nakagaya nito. Meron yung sa Go, yung Go Brothers ba yun? Let's Go pala, yon yung Let's Go. So, usong-uso din yun dati. And meron pang iba, may mga manga pa nga. So, I guess, kaya siguro iba't ibang brands din. Iba't iba din kasi yung anime, no? So, again, this is from Aldi. And this is item number 87008. And ito yung itsura niya. Okay? So, sa sides, hindi natin gaano mabasa. Yung iba kasi, hindi ako nakabasa niyan. So, Go for Speed yung anime. And then, some information here. Some information about the unit. Parang sa Tamiya din, no? Pero hindi ko maintindihan lang kung ano yung nakasulat. So, unbox na natin to. Okay, first time ever nabuksan ko after siguro 10 years na siguro ito nakastock, no? Pero mukhang okay pa yung plastic niya. I'm not sure if this was a recent stock, but it looks like it's old kasi medyo nag-deform na yung plastic niya. And nagaganon lang naman yung plastic. Sumisikip siya pag, you know, it's old na. So, sige, buksan na natin to. Okay. So, opening up the box. Ito natin, naka-disassemble din siya. Kagaya ng Tamiya, of course. So, meron tayo nito. So, grabe siguro. Pinag-flying kick tong kit na to kasi humiwalay na yung isa, natanggal na. So, this is an Aldi brand. I guess this was the main competitor of Tamiya back in the day. I'm not very sure. Meron din kasing Academy brand, pero hindi siya ganon kalakas kumpara sa Aldi. No? So, Tamiya, and then Aldi, and then the others. So, ito din yung wheels natin. Tanggal na din siya. Okay. So, stig, no? Medyo ang ganda ng mga design kahit yung sa wheels lang niya. Then, other parts. Ganyan. First observation, no? Halos same quality with Tamiya, no? I guess, a big brand such as Aldi, mukhang maganda din naman talaga ang pagkakagawa nila. So, ito ay almost the same with Tamiya. Parehong-pareho. No? Para siyang pinaghalong Super X na may TZX. No? So, I'm not sure kung ano yung exactly kapareho nito. Pero it looks familiar, no? So, ito yung pinaka-cowl niya. I guess, lalagay natin mamaya yung mga ibang parts dito. And, ito yung kanyang gear set. At the same time, yung mga terminals niya, yung motor, which is very reminiscent of Tamiya. And, nag-leak na nga yung grease niya, no? So, very reminiscent. So, parehong-pareho ng way kung paano mag-package yung Tamiya. So, lagyan natin to. And then, the wheels here. Sobrang kamukha niya yung slick tires ng Tamiya. And you have the main chassis, I guess. This is the main chassis. Sobrang solid nito, no? Again, it's same quality with Tamiya. And then you have the sticker here na naninilaw na dahil sa katagalan ng panahon. So, yan. And then you have the guide here. Yan, which is in different languages. And naka-translate naman, no? So, meron din siyang 4:1 gear ratio. Alam nyo kung nagtuloy-tuloy itong Oldie, I guess sobrang competitive nito sa Tamiya. Kung tinuloy nila. Kasi yung quality nila, it's almost the same. You have some paperwork here. Wow, you also have some parts here, I guess, na pwede mong idagdag. Kasi it's different from ano yung nasa box. So this is the first part of the 3-part series ng Oldie. Unbox muna natin yung iba and then titignan natin kung paano sila lahat tatakbo. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, just click on that like button and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this, and I'll see you on the next one.